gray theme goes on this week, but we can see the light at the end of the week here.
The light at the end of the tunnel will be for Friday and the weekend, which is good news, but this week, unfortunately, it's kind of got that gloomy feel. It's almost a little bit fall-like, which if you're ready for fall is good news. If you're trying to hold on to summer like I am, though, it might be a little bit in the bad news department. So yeah, we had a lot of cloud cover out there today because of that upper level low pressure system. A couple of peaks of sunshine as we got into the early evening, but overall, definitely on the gloomy side out there today. We didn't see overall that much precipitation. In the past couple of hours, we had some shower activity in Washington County, moved just over into Canada, but for the most part, it's just been kind of on the gloomy side, not really that rainy out there today. Current temperature-wise, along the immediate coastline, temps in the upper 60s, 69 in Portland, 68 in Wiscasset. However, if you're up in northern Maine today, it's almost a little bit chilly out there. 55 right now in Rangeley, 58 in Greenville. So why is this happening? It's because this area of upper level low pressure system, it's fairly small in size right here, and it's just going to be kind of sitting right over Maine for almost the entire week, and that's kind of what's going to give us this unstable and unsettled weather for most of this week as long as it's hanging around. So that means most of this week is going to look and feel pretty similar. Overall, a lot of cloud cover and just some kind of showers on and off throughout the day here. So this is a look at Wednesday, 8 a.m. The best chance of seeing a little bit of sunshine throughout these next few days is going to be the immediate coastline and through areas of southern Maine, but overall, definitely more clouds than sun. This model here has some heavier rain picking up late on Wednesday along the border with New Hampshire, back into the areas of the northern mountains. Some more sunshine possible in the earlier hours on Thursday, but still a lot of cloud cover, very unstable, a lot of chances of showers as we go within the next few days. However, once this area of low pressure moves out, then we're going to have a much nicer day on Friday, and that'll continue into a lot of the weekend. The good news is, though, is that as that cold front continues to push eastward as we go into this evening, our dew points are going to be significantly more comfortable. Dew points already in the 50s for a lot of areas of western Maine, and that will continue into eastern Maine this evening. And then we stay right in this comfortable category for the entire rest of the week and into the beginning of the weekend as well. So I think it'll almost have that fall-like feel, especially in the early mornings, say on Wednesday and on Thursday. Now, we are going to call this false fall, though, because summer is going to be making a comeback here. So temperatures only in the upper 60s to lower 70s, even cooler through areas of northern Maine within the next 2 days, as long as that low pressure system is hanging around. But back into the 80s as we get into the weekend. So if you're holding on to summer like I am, that's the good news for you. Marine forecast sees 2 to 3 feet. Ocean temp there, 64 degrees. So let's take a look at that 7-day forecast. So it's going to be a little bit unsettled, like I said, for the next 2 days. A little bit comfortable in the dew points department. However, a lot of cloud cover and chances of showers that will linger throughout the entire state, both Wednesday and Thursday. But once that upper level low moves out of our area, Brian, take a look at the weekend. We're going to get some sunshine back, and it's back to summer. So if you like fall, if you like summer, this week is actually for both of us.
Hello, everybody. And our poor friends in Rangeley in the 50s.
I know, like, bring a jacket. I'm going to need a sweater.
Yeah, it'll turn around. All right, Dana, thank you.